Can you use ClickFunnels for affiliate marketing? Yes. Actually, I think ClickFunnels and affiliate marketing go together, two peas in a pod. My name is Brad. I've been doing digital marketing for 15 years, affiliate marketing for maybe 5 or 10 years, and I've been a ClickFunnels customer since 2016. So why do I think that ClickFunnels is a great match for affiliate marketing? It does some things really well that affiliate marketers really value more so than most people. One is it builds really beautiful landing pages really fast that are highly conversion focused. If you're an affiliate, then you're not worried about the whole customer journey. You're really just trying to get people to click through your landing page. And ClickFunnels is amazing at that. They have incredible landing page templates, which speed up your ability to deploy multiple different landing pages for testing. They also have built-in split testing, so you can not have to have a third-party software to do your split testing for landing pages as well. And another thing that you get as a benefit for using ClickFunnels as an affiliate is they host all of the landing pages. So you can send as much traffic as you can at your landing pages, and it's not going to blink an eye. So if you set up your own landing pages on something like WordPress and you use something like Bluehost, that's great for maybe just getting started. But if you're going to be sending hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands of clicks per day, if you're really going to scale up your campaigns as an affiliate, especially if you're doing paid traffic, then you're definitely going to want to go with ClickFunnels. There are other specialized solutions too, like Landerbolt, but the reason that they're specialized is that they have cloud hosting that is really high scaled, and ClickFunnels somehow amazingly doesn't really make you pay for the scaled traffic. So you pay a flat monthly fee for ClickFunnels, and you get the powerful benefits of a company that has amazing infrastructure for their hosting and their landing pages. So you can send as much traffic as you want to ClickFunnels and it can handle it. That's a huge advantage as an affiliate and something that you would normally have to pay a lot more for. The other thing is the speed of deployment. As I mentioned earlier, you can build landing pages very quickly. You can probably not have to have a designer. You can make them yourself and they're going to look amazing. ClickFunnels is also designed by direct response marketers. So the way that they design their pages is going to naturally be a great fit for sending people to information products or lead generation products or anything that affiliates might be promoting. ClickFunnels already has a page for what you're offering basically, and it's going to be very quick to model the things that work in direct response marketing. So how about some other uses that affiliates might have for something like a web page builder? You can build free courses if you're going to give away a course as a lead magnet. You can build landing pages, you can do email opt-ins, and even some email marketing as well. It integrates really well with your email service provider. So if you're going to do a follow-up autoresponder, then ClickFunnels will help you do that really well and really fast, really easy. And you can build bridge pages really easily too, with integration of embedded video and all the different design elements that you have access to with ClickFunnels. It's like having a professional designer, but you just have to click a couple of buttons. And lastly, if you are an affiliate marketer, then ClickFunnels has one of the best affiliate programs of all time. It has one of the highest converting recurring revenue programs of all time. They have tons of upsells in the back end. So if you're an affiliate marketer and you are good at sending traffic to other things, then you can probably find a way to get some people to sign up for ClickFunnels, and that's a really good fit as well. So overall, ClickFunnels and affiliate marketing go hand in hand, and I definitely think if you're looking into affiliate marketing, you should give ClickFunnels a try. And speaking of affiliate marketing, if you want to be super cool and you want to give ClickFunnels a try, then use my affiliate link in the description below, and I will be your best friend. I'll also put some other resources that I think you might be interested in as an affiliate marketer down there. They are probably affiliate links, but they are also handpicked by me to be useful for you. So hopefully you appreciate that. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below.